Hello everyone, I'm Surabhi. Welcome to my channel. Today's busy book is for my 7-year-old. She just turned 7-year-old, so a newly 7-year-old. Here we are doing big number operations. Big number means more than 100, and this is level 2. So these are not easier kind of questions. They are big number. They are challenging ones. Again, trying to judge that how much she know and which topics we need to work on, how much numbers she is comfortable with. That's all is the intention of this busy book. So we are starting with the first question. Here we are doing addition by making tens, 50s or hundreds. What do you mean by that? So when because she does addition conventionally, you write number here and then you add by carryover and everything. We have done that one, but now we are working more on a mental addition. See, like we adults do addition. Like if I have been given 48 plus 22, so I'll take 2 from here, make 50 here, and 50 plus 20 I'll do, right? That's how an adult does an addition in mind. So I want her to practice those skills because she understands the concept of addition, she understands the concept of carryover. Now I want her to practice the skills at these kind of questions where you can make tens or 50s. Use that trick. Do not go by conventional, like we write together and add. That is what is the intention. So if you see all these numbers, you will be able to make tens or 50s or hundreds. Like in this one, we can make 50 plus 20. In this one, we can make 5 from here to here, make 50, and 100 plus 50. In this one again, it is 450 and this is 50. So 450 plus 50, 500, and 5 left, it makes 10. So you can also say they are number bonds. I'm using the concept of number bonds, but here the number bonds are easier. They are 5 or tens or something concept like that. All the questions here are based on that. Like if the 98 is there, why don't you remove 2 from here, put it here, it will become 100, and then 200 plus 100 will be equal to 300. So you get that. This is what I'm trying to. So we have done these questions before already in a rough notebook. So this is kind of a test, you can say, where I'm going to see how much does she remember, how much does she use this skill, and which areas do I need to practice more on. So this is first kind of addition we are practicing here. Now we are doing skip counting, but you see all the numbers here are more than 100. She knows skip counting by 2, 3, 5, 4 even, but when it goes to big numbers where she's focusing on reading the 110, even if it's skip counting by 5, I assume she gets confused. So it starts with easy one. All are very easy. Skip counting forward by 5, skip counting backward by 5, skip counting by 2 but backward, skip counting by 2 forward, and skip counting by 10. So all these are simple skip counting by 2, 5, 10, but they are big numbers. So just practicing more of skip counting when it goes to bigger numbers, and maybe she recognizes the pattern that the first number really doesn't matter. It's 92, 90, 88, 86. So the more the child writes, the more patterns they can figure it out. So that is the intention here, that can she figure out the patterns when we go to the bigger numbers. Now we are going to practice the place value concept. You have seen my earlier busy books where we have done very challenging questions of place value, and she did all that very perfectly. But in that one, I tackled only till hundreds. Basically, I have manipulated till 100 only. But here we are going till 1000 level. So because sometimes when I ask her to read a bigger number, she gets confused, like no, this is very big number. That's why we are going to start here now. So this is easy. 100, 110, 2 ones. First question is always easy. Then I go to 1000, 420. How will you write the number? 2000, 30 hundreds. So again, this is advanced. Like 30 hundred means what? 30 hundred is basically 3000. So it's 2000 and 3000, right? And this is 4025 ones. So it's 4025. So just want to see that can she map whatever she have learned in the place value questions till out to the thousands? How much confused does she get? That's all his intention here. Now we are going to the next one, subtraction. Again, the same thing, that this subtraction is very easy, but you have to make tens, 50s, use number bonds, not like one number here, one number here, and carry over. No, it is not that game. I'll give an example. 48 minus 24. Do you really need to remove 48 minus 24, or do you remove 40 minus 20 and 8 minus 4? I do subtraction like that in my mind, so I want to teach that trick. I don't know it's right or wrong, but that's how I'm going to teach her, and I wish her to do. 90 minus 50, very easy. 196 minus 46. So you remove 6 from 6, so it becomes 190 minus 40, and I'll not let her use the space here or pencil. All these have to be done mentally. That is what's intention, because these numbers are not confusing. If you just, you see the pattern 6, 6, and 50 minus 10, 40, 4 minus 1, 3. So that way. And 97 minus 35, again, use the same 90 minus 30 and 7 minus 5. So subtraction is very easy if you can break it into number bonds and do it. So this is what I want to see, that does she use it mentally, and I don't want to use her pen and paper, but let's see where we have reached. So hope you enjoyed this busy book. Bye bye.